I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I cash stuff by playing the game Roll and Save. Let's see how many envelopes I can cash stuff today. So before we get started, please note that this is a savings channel. We are saving for our future. So if you're into those type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I do just want to say for any of my new viewers or new supporters, I am saving for my birthday, which is next year, June 23rd, and I utilize this binder as my Spoil Her binder. I do have 8 envelopes in this binder, so we're going to do our best to roll the dice. Let us tell us which amount I need to stuff in each envelope, and we'll go from there. Again, you will see a lot of ones right now because I haven't made it to the bank, but I will do so I can do some cash condensing. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's count the money and make sure it's accurate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the dice, roll it, and see how much I can put in birthday. So birthday is going to get $2. Okay, let's see how much we can get for hair. Hair is also going to get $2. Next we have hygiene. Hygiene is going to get $1. Next we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is going to get $1. Next we have nails. Wow, it's been a minute since I was able to put money in every single envelope. Nails is going to get $3. Maybe it was the way that I was rolling, I'm not sure, but I'm so excited about this. Next we have perfume. Perfume is supposed to get $6, but I only have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the dice 3 times to see if I can get $4. If I can't, then I'm going to let the dice tell me which envelope will get the money. So let's see. Perfume. Perfume can get $2. Okay, we can move forward. Self-care. Self-care can get the last $2. Super duper excited about this one. I don't know if I'm now learning how to shake the dice up the right way or not, but I'm so excited. The only envelope that didn't get any love today was shopping. It's been a minute since I was able to give, each envelope something. But as I stated, it just depends on the amount that you're cash stuffing. When you're starting with those small amounts, you can almost, can be sure that you're not going to fill every single last envelope with these small amounts. However, if you choose to do it the way I'm doing it, but if you do it the other way where you're just rolling the dice to see which envelope you want to stuff, then I'm sure you can kind of spread your money out that way as well. All right, so let's go ahead and count and see how much we have in each envelope and how much we've saved overall for next year. So for birthday, we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, $59 saved for birthday. So for hair, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Next we have hygiene, and hygiene has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And miscellaneous has 20, 25, 26, 27. Next we have nails. Nails has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Next we have perfume, and perfume has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next we have self-care, and self-care now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And lastly, we have shopping, and shopping has $21. All right, y'all. So again, I hope you guys are seeing the process and the progress that we are doing and making when cash stuffing on a low income budget and saving for our future. Again, if you're into these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.